Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to toggle and configure the dynamic island on the Honor X5c Plus. So first open settings, just scroll down from the top right corner and press this little button to open settings. Here look for the notifications and status bar setting. And this is what we were looking for, Magic Capsule. To disable, just toggle all of these off. And now the live island is disabled. You can also configure for what you want your Magic Capsule to work. You have three options for choice: recording, media, playback and clock. You can disable some of them. Just like that you can configure your live island. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.